BNB set to
eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
Here's some market information about BNB. Ranked number 4, currently trading $431.25. Basically, guys, you guys can get BNB on every single market. It's in the top 10. This crypto is on everything. Now, BNB has a huge rating when it comes to symmetry and when it comes to stable outlook. They got a triple B and a B+. So, guys, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, I like cryptos that have rating systems, ratings, because when it comes to cryptos, once they have a rating that's really high like this, you know, it's like a scam coin, you know, you're not gonna get your rug pulled. Now let's get into that price prediction, guys. BNB has been making some massive moves since it bounced off the support level right here. Now, the support of $367 has been running straight through, and it's coming to some resistance right now. Now, I believe that we might have some deflection, but we ultimately are going to go through this zone here. Now, my price prediction is going to be very simple. I think we're going to be hitting this price right here, and then we might have some, reflection down. Deflection down. So basically, we're going to $500 when it comes to BNB, and that's the price prediction, guys. Now, if you guys are going to be trading this, I would be looking at this a little bit more with the risk, because you're at a resistance level. If you're hodling it, basically, if I'm going to hodl this position, I'm just going to enter in at every single dip. So if it does dip right now, I'm going to enter in again and enter in again. So when it hits $500, I will exit some of my position and let the rest run higher. If it does go higher, and keep on doing that. If I'm trading it, I'm going to have my target profit set to $500. So if it hits $500 or gets around there, I'm gonna lock in my trade by moving my stop loss above my entry, making sure that my trade always stays positive. So if it just whip down, knocks me out of my trade, I walk away with a profit, hits $500. I'm gonna close that. It's gonna close that first position, and let my second position run. And that's what I'm gonna do for the first thing. So I'm gonna enter in 2 positions here if I'm trading, and have a pretty large stop loss. So if it's going to go down, it's not going to stop me out. But if it's going to go up here, hit the $500, lock me in that trade, taking out the trade with my target profit, move my stop loss above my entry. So if it does run, just say to $580, $600, I have that trade locked in up to higher highs. It's a simple analysis. I feel like when it comes to trading, it doesn't have to be complicated. Just have a plan. Make sure the risk is not too much. So if you are having $1,000, you don't want to risk $1,000. Risk 5% of it, $50. 3% of it, $30. So if you're trading this, guys, even for myself, when I'm trading this, I don't want to risk too much for this trade. And if it hits, I'm gonna let that trade run so I can maximize basically you don't want to cap your upside. So if it keeps on going, you make higher gains. So if it just keeps on going and beats this high, you have that trade locked in at such an easy level. So guys, for some relevant news, Binance Blockchain Week Dubai 2022 is live, guys. So if you guys want to look at the schedule, it is here on the left hand side right here. They have opening for the keynote. So if you guys want to look at this stuff for this event, please check the link below. But that's some biggest news I have for Binance. So here's my website, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like the new video style. If you have any questions or comments, once again, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.